You are receiving a strong, uplifting message coming from the universe. It is alerting you that you are currently in the ideal situation for following your goals. Believe that everything is going as it should, that you are being led in the proper road by divine guidance, and that your angels are following you one step behind. If you have been asking for a sign lately, this is your assurance that whatever it is you are about to do will work. You will always go in the right direction if you choose to be kind and make things right. Never allow detours to get in your way. Never permit yourself to be sidetracked. Change your thoughts, alter your course. Turning to God with your burden is the finest solution. Learn to cast your worries on God and never try to force something that isn't working for you. It's already a foreshadowing of God's protection. God is aware of your anxiety regarding some things that are out there, and no matter how hard you try to push yourself to solve your difficulties, all you felt like doing was going around in circles and getting stuck. The universe will always give you something unexpected that you never expect at the very end, and that only makes sense when you consider how it all began. We must understand that in life we question ourselves. Why did things work out differently than expected? Even though we can't clearly observe what is happening in real time, it does not appear to be working in your favor. There always seems to be later events that only make sense in the long run. It is because God already knows what is happening in you, so that pretty much sums it up. Even the precise moment that you hear this message in reality was also part of His plan. Have faith that magic exists in your life. You are one of the most lucky people who has given the opportunity to enjoy another existence each day you are breathing. It is truly amazing to live on earth if you feel whole, are in good physical and mental health, are able to make ends meet, and thus are content. So gather your crop together for good. Know that through having faith, you may trust God and His plans for you. Never fret about what will happen next. Never stress about your future. Just stay in the show. God is working for you in your family, job, and heart. You just have to have faith that things will turn out well for you.